It's always one of my little aims when recipe testing to come up with meals or snacks that don't feel like special diet food, even if they should be suitable for those of us on a low histamine diet. And if they can be shared amongst the family, then even better. This cottage cheese chicken salad is a hearty, high protein salad that can be enjoyed as it is, or used to top rice cakes or crackers. We blend the cottage cheese so that it's smooth and creamy, cook and shred juicy chicken and dice up lots of herbs and veggies too. It's all easy recipe steps, feels quite indulgent and is perfect for summer picnics or as lunch food. Recipe is linked below.